Today I am going to be teaching you how to make a double crochet. Let's get started. So first, you will yarn over, insert your hook into the V-stitch, pull through, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. You would yarn over again, and then pull through 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over, and then pull through the last 2 loops. And that is how you make a double crochet. I will do it one more time with you guys. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and then pull through the last 2 loops. And that is how you make a double crochet. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.